Hello people, I'm Mr. Tajan and today I'll make another unboxing video, this time with PES 2013. It's a really good game, I'll buy it for a very good price. So
let's unbox it.
Yeah.
We're sorry it's a little bit too much light, but out there it's sun and yeah.
Yeah, we have on the cover Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah, right there.
Champions League and Europa League.
Here and here.
And yeah, this edition.
Yeah.
Konami right there.
The
producer. Peggy 3. Xbox 360.
As you can see.
On the back we have again Konami, Ronaldo, and Viva Pro Evo.
Because it's Ronaldo on it. Again, Champions and Europa League.
Yeah, we have here Copa Santander Libertadores, LFP, Eredivisie, I think it's French League, Spain, Australia, Manchester United, and England. And yeah, let's see what's inside. Shit.
Doesn't want to open, man.
Yeah.
Try this shit over there. Almost there. Yeah, we made it.
This is stupid thing.
This shit is too much for some of us.
Yeah.
Almost there.
You know, this is the CD with PES 2013.
That's awesome. Really awesome.
Here, the booklet.
Yeah.
It's very nice, I think. It looks great.
Yeah, very great. What the fuck is this shit?
German controls.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see what's again. Official key PES League 2012, 2013. PES rankings. Yeah. It's over.
We are not that lucky, man. We are not that lucky.
Yeah, and there is the online pass.
Where?
In my hands.
Oh yeah, right there.
And don't show you. And yeah, that's all.
Oh, okay, that's cool. That's really cool.
And let's see the disc again.
On the back, no scratch. On the front, very beautiful, created.
Yeah, like the official ball.
Yeah, because it's nice and a little bit more comfortable.
Yeah, and that was all the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe I'll start a series with Master League on a team. Comment the team you want, and for this time I was Mr. Touchdown. Bye bye.
See ya.